Welcome to the Heiko Machines Limited training video for the Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL. During this video, you will learn how to ensure the machine is ready for use, how to operate the machine, daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, and troubleshooting guides. Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL. Working width from 60 cm to 85 cm. Suction width from 95 cm to 110 cm. Efficiency up to 4,200 square meters per hour. Clean water tank capacity 72 liters. Wastewater tank capacity 74 liters. To illustrate how to prepare the machine for work, this video will cover how to unplug the battery, how to fill the clean water tank, how to use the chemical dosing system, and how to fit brushes and/or cleaning pads. Before you use your machine, ensure that the batteries are charged. Close the wastewater tank, unplug the charger from the power source, and place it on the designated hanger. Open the clean water cover and fill the tank with clean water. Check the water level as you fill the tank. Remember to use the correct chemical for your application. It's important to note that before you use any chemical, ensure that you have thoroughly checked the amount needed and that the chemical is suitable for use on your flooring. All of the relevant information can be found on the labels on the chemical containers. Correctly measure the required quantity of cleaning agent and pour it into the clean water tank. Close the cover. If the machine is equipped with a chemical dosing system, the chemical will be dispensed automatically. Turn the key to check that the battery is charged. The battery should be fully charged before use. The Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL cleans using either brushes or pads. To make an informed decision as to whether to use brushes or pads, you should take into account both the floor type and application. Heiko Machines Limited offer a wide variety of brushes and pads that are suitable for all uses. Our technical team are always happy to advise which is best for your application. To attach a brush or pad holder, insert the brush or pad holder under the head and fasten the tool by pressing it with both hands. To illustrate the correct operation of the Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL, this video will cover the importance of sweeping, an overview of the control panel, and how to operate. Before using the Scrubmaster B70 or B70 CL, the floor should be cleaned by removing debris from the surface. Regardless of how you decide to sweep the floor, whether manually or with a machine, this stage is a prerequisite to scrubbing. Scrubmaster B70 CL Control Panel Overview. There's a key to turn on the machine, an optional silence button, the water dispensing control button, the water flow on-off switch, a vehicle control switch to change the direction and speed of driving. Scrubmaster B70 control panel is different from the one in the CL version. It has no buttons on the panel, and the water flow is regulated by a switch. To start the machine, turn the key. The control panel will display the battery status. Lower the head by pressing and releasing the lever using your foot. Use the crank lever to lower the suction squeegee. You can start using the machine by pulling the vehicle control switch. Remember that before reversing the B70 or B70 CL, you have to lift the machine head and lift the suction squeegee. The Scrubmaster B70 CL has something called self-drive, which means the operator does not have to push the machine. During use, You can control the Scrubmaster B70 CL by using the push buttons located under the display on the control panel. The Scrubmaster B70 has power flow drive, meaning that the brush supports the forward move. Before you start cleaning, you should plan your route. Ideally, you should avoid narrow turns and driving over the same area of flooring. You should always try and keep a 10% overlap on your cleaning route. This will avoid leaving marks. The Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL are both equipped with bumpers on the brush head and suction unit, which means you can work close to walls in a safe manner. To illustrate daily maintenance, this section of the video will cover how to empty the dirty water tank, how to clean the filter, how to clean and notice wear and tear on squeegees, how to clean brushes and pads, and how to charge the batteries. When you're in the designated cleaning bay, disconnect the dirty water hose located on the left-hand side of the machine and empty the dirty water tank. Rinse the tank out. Remove the filter and rinse thoroughly. Empty the dirty water tank once again. Clean any visible dirt from the machine. To reverse or to replace the squeegee, lower the panel with the lever, disconnect the suction hose, and loosen the two yellow caps which hold the panel in place. Then, simply lift the empty holder and remove the panel. Rinse the panel thoroughly under running water to remove any debris inside and on the squeegee. Check the condition of the squeegee. If the squeegee blade is worn on one side, then reverse it. When the squeegee is beyond use on both sides or has cuts and chips in it, then please make sure you replace it. To reverse or replace the squeegee blade, open the securing lock and clamps. Then reverse the squeegee or replace with a new one by placing on the hooks. Fasten the clamps and lock in place. Replace the suction panel, screw the caps in place and connect the suction hose. Lift the machine head. Press the brush removal button. Clean the pad and brushes after every use by running them under water. This prevents the buildup of dirt and helps to prolong the working life. When you finish cleaning, always connect the machine charger to the power source to charge the battery and open the wastewater tank cover. When charging starts, a battery icon will illuminate on the control display. To illustrate weekly maintenance, this section of the video covers how to empty the dirty water tank, how to clean the dirty water filter, how to empty the clean water tank, how to clean and notice wear and tear on squeegees, how to clean the clean water filter, how to clean brushes and pads, and how to clean the machine. When emptying the wastewater tank, follow the instructions from daily maintenance instructions. Similarly, follow those previous instructions given for cleaning the wastewater tank filter. Disconnect the clean water tank hose, which is on the right side of the machine, and empty the tank solution in a designated place. Follow the same principles mentioned before when cleaning and checking for wear and tear on squeegees. Loosen the clean water filter, take it out from the securing cap, and then rinse with clean water. Put the filter back in its correct place. When cleaning a brush or pad with water, follow the instructions contained in the daily maintenance section. Wash the machine and all of its parts regularly and thoroughly. Keeping the machine cleaned and well maintained will ensure a long life and the best possible levels of cleaning for your machine. The next section in this video shows how to carry out troubleshooting the most frequent problems, including the machine does not turn on, the machine does not collect water, the machine is too fast, the machine is not cleaning floors thoroughly, and there's too much foam. If the machine does not turn on when the key is turned, check that the battery is charged. If the machine does not collect water, the suction hose, dirty water tank or drain pipe may be blocked or damaged. It could also be due to the dirty water tank cover not being closed properly or a worn seal. Disconnect the suction hose from the squeegee and check that when you have closed the inlet, adequate suction is produced. Disconnect the suction hose from the tank and check that when you have closed the inlet, adequate suction is produced. Check that the drain hose leading to the dirty water tank is not disconnected. Check if the water tank cover is properly sealed. Ensure that the machine is working with the correct speed. If the Scrubmaster B70 or B70 CL is working at too high a speed, it will not collect water. Control speed of driving with a vehicle control switch. If the machine fails to clean the floors correctly, check the pads and brushes are clean. If the pad or brush is dirty, clean with water. Please remember that Heiko pads are reversible. Too much foam is a result of using incorrect proportions of cleaning agent or using a cleaning agent which is not suitable for use in such machines. So, always check this before cleaning commences. Empty the clean water tank. Add the solution again, paying close attention to the correct concentration. Following these recommendations will ensure trouble-free and effective work with Scrubmaster B70 and B70 CL machines. All information not included in the training video can be found in the user manual.